Or we can always call the ambulance to our headquarters and they can take you again if you don't want to go right now. But you're gonna have to make a decision.
Your husband's gonna have someone come pick you up in about an hour from the police department, okay?
Alright.
So do you want to go or no?
To the hospital or the police department? I'm so confused.
I'm asking if you want to go to the hospital right now.
I don't know.
Okay. What I tell you.
Okay, so you can. Is that use my car?
Take mine.
Okay, you can follow me.
Your car's unlocked, right? Because I must be. I have my spare.
Mine's unlocked.
Yeah, you're good. You're your spare?
No, I don't have spare.
Some mistakes come with a price, but for this drunk woman, the cost was devastating. A reckless decision to drink and drive ended in a horrifying head-on collision, leaving 2 innocent people injured and her facing the cold reality of a DWI arrest. What started as a night of indulgence quickly turned into a nightmare that no one saw coming. What will happen when her reckless entitlement collides with the weight of the law? Stay tuned for this heart-pounding story. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe to Cop's Dream for more shocking moments and justice served every day. On February 25th, 2024, a woman caused a head-on collision while attempting an illegal left turn at an intersection. Witnesses reported that she accelerated to beat oncoming traffic, colliding with another vehicle and injuring 2 passengers.
Okay. Alright, thank you.
Hey, how are you?
How you doing?
Is everyone okay?
Yeah, I called. So
Okay.
they said
All
they're
right.
coming out.
Okay.
I'm in fire department, obviously.
Okay. Who's?
A white van was coming this way. They're coming this way. Light turned green. The white van tried to jump like all the cars. Like accelerated to try and cut the turn first.
Turning this
Yeah,
way?
they were coming downward trying to turn left on the Atlantic.
And she, I assume she's the driver of that.
Yeah.
They were all in this one? Okay.
Hello.
Hello. Do you have your license, registration, insurance on you?
I mean,
Your what?
it's in my car.
Okay. Are you injured at all?
Like, I'm literally bringing home.
2310 Central. We're going to need 2 tows.
31 pins out.
Alright, so, just found my wallet.
Okay.
Ow! Sorry.
No, it's okay. If you want, you can actually stay in the car.
That's my license.
So the ambulance can just come and evaluate you here.
I'm pretty sure.
Okay.
Ran the red light.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Ours?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I always do it wherever I think it's mine, it's usually yours.
Yeah. Whenever I think it's
feel
yours,
like
it's usually ours.
Yeah.
No, I think this is pretty bad.
Is it off? Turn the car off?
The car's off, right?
It is on.
Okay. Like I said, you could just hang out in the car and the ambulance will come and evaluate you here.
So it's just
Guys,
Just-
please.
It's just you in this car?
It is, but I
Okay.
I have to.
Oh, you want it then?
Is it going to be yours or just
It's going to be ours.
You're staying straight. I'm going here and making it right. You're going up towards the
Who is driving?
I'm
You were?
driving the Crown Vic.
Okay. Is it registered to you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, it's in my grandma's name.
Okay. Do you got your license on you? The registration,
It's
insurance?
all in the car.
Okay. Yeah, if you can. It's ours.
Oh, it is?
It works for the all that car stuff.
I think JP's grabbing it.
You go. Jeremy.
I need my phone.
Okay.
Sorry. And
Where are you at? I was going to Rick's. What? I was going to Rick's.
Are you stepping out?
You were in this car.
I want to.
Okay. Wow.
I thought this was.
Need my phone.
I know. He wasn't trying to see him park. Kinder. Yeah, he drove the same exact car, didn't he? And when I saw you standing on the side, I'm like,
Okay. Where'd you have it at when you were driving?
It literally was like in the middle right there.
Where'd you have it?
Like in the middle. Right here.
Okay. Well, I'll just have you stand over there. Are you done talking with the ambulance people?
Yeah, I mean, if they're done talking to me, yeah.
Okay. Are you gonna go to the hospital? Okay. Huh? Said no. So, see anything right? What'd you say?
I was sitting right here at the light.
So
I was in the curve lane going this way. The only car in the turn lane was this white van, like jitter signal on, so everyone was in the right lane. Light turned green, she gunned it, tried to turn left to beat the traffic going straight.
Okay.
And this car ended.
So where was this?
This car was coming straight down Warwick Road.
This way?
Yeah, they're headed this way. I don't know what lane they were. I would assume they were in there.
When officers arrived, they found her visibly impaired with an open can of beer in her car. The woman admitted to having a few beers and struggled to provide coherent answers about the events leading up to the crash.
On the phone. Don't be worried about it. We'll find it.
It might take a minute to find because with the impact, it probably went somewhere. But I'm sure that they'll find it.
Turn the front ones off. I don't know if you can. Okay. I need a test. I'm gonna test her. I don't know what to do.
All right.
I don't know.
I can turn all the bars off.
Yeah, do that. Here, over here.
Are you sure? Because my partner said she thinks your art's working. So
one?
I don't know. I haven't looked at your art. Oh
perfect.
yeah, you should go to the hospital. Your art. Can you feel this?
Yeah.
Look at this wrist. Look at the comparison. I think your wrist, and you're going to be in a lot of pain if you don't go get checked out. Honestly.
Okay. Okay. Have you been drinking tonight at all?
A little bit.
A little bit? Okay.
Yeah.
The reason why I'm asking you is
Wait,
your wrist.
my husband's
All right,
calling
well,
me right
just
now.
okay.
Can I?
No, not right now. We're going to do this real quick. There's an open Miller Lite can in the car, okay? And your wrist is obviously broken.
Yeah.
And you're not in any pain and it's not bothering you at
No,
all.
it is in pain.
Okay. All right. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to put you through field sobriety testing, okay?
Can you answer and let him know what's going on, please?
No, we'll talk to him at the end. This won't take long.
Okay.
We're going to go.
During the field sobriety tests, the suspect struggled to follow instructions, then failed due to her intoxicated state and cited personal health issues.
We're going to go over here and there's a cul-de-sac. No,
Okay.
back there. Unless we can go over here. Yeah, Jesse over here.
Nope. We'll take care of this.
Yeah, we're gonna go over here. Yeah, I'll if I need anything from you, I'll text you or call you.
What?
Her husband or boyfriend's calling her.
Oh, you can call back in a minute, okay?
So you said a little bit. How much is a little bit?
I mean, a few beers?
A few beers.
Yeah.
Few being what?
A few?
Just a few.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. When's the last time?
Probably recent?
Yeah, like.
Yeah.
Do you know what time it is right now?
No.
Okay. If you had to guess.
Like, guess time?
Yeah, like
9?
6 p.m. Okay, 9.
9.
Okay. So the first test we're gonna do is the horizontal gaze nystagmus test. So what I'm gonna have you do is stand together with your feet like this, hands by your side like this. Do you have any issues with your eyes? Any abnormalities or anything like that? No? Okay. You see the tip of my pen?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What I'm gonna have you do is follow with your eyes and your eyes only. Don't move your head and just keep following it with your eyes, okay? Do you understand that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm gonna begin. Just your eyes.
I just. No, I know.
I think she said that.
I'm gonna go up, okay? Keep following her. Okay. Any balance issues or anything like that? Any issues with your legs, knees?
I mean, honestly, I am not a balanced person, but...
Okay. So the next test we're going to do is the walk and turn test, okay? So what I'm going to have you do, I'm going to get you in the starting position.
Okay.
Right foot in front of your left foot, touching heel to toe, hands by your side, okay? And you're going to stay in that position while I explain the test to you, okay? So get in the position for me. Okay.
In the position?
Yep. So what you're going to do is take 9 heel to toe steps. Start until I tell you to. You're going to count each step out loud, okay? Keep your hands by your side. So you're going to take 9 heel to toe steps, and on your 9th step, you're going to take a series of small steps, turn around, come back 9 steps.
Driving with a blood alcohol concentration BAC of 0.18%, more than double the legal limit of 0.8%, violated Florida Statute 316.1803. For a first offense with a BAC exceeding 0.15%, enhanced penalties apply, including fines between $1,000 and $2,000 up to 9 months in jail, mandatory installation of an ignition interlock device for at least 6 months, a license suspension of 6 to 12 months, and mandatory 50 hours of community service or an equivalent fine.
Okay, so
Wait, what's a series of small steps?
so I'll demonstrate for you. So 1, I'm going to do 3, and then series of small steps.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, so on and so forth until you get to 9. So it's going to be 9 up,
9 up,
9,
and then 9. Okay.
9 up. You're going to take a series of small steps, and then 9 back. Okay, count each of them out loud.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. So the next test we're going to do is the one leg stand. Okay. Again, do you have any balance issues? I know you said you're a little.
I do.
Okay.
I am not a balanced person. Like
Okay.
at all.
What this test entails is you're going to either one of your legs, whichever you choose, you're going to put it 6 inches above the ground. When you have it above the ground, you're going to stare at your toe, hands by your side, and you're going to count out 1.
So I'm pulling up one leg,
No, like this in front of you.
up in front.
1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, so on and so forth until I tell you to stop.
Okay.
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 Don't begin yet. Any questions for me?
So it's out front. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000 until you tell me to stop.
Correct.
Right?
All right.
All right.
Not. Yeah, I know.
I'm so cold.
Okay.
Okay.
You
Am I
may
going?
begin.
1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, 7, 1,000, 8, 1,000, 9, 1,000, 10, 1,000, 8, 1,000.
Keep going. Keep going.
1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, 7, 1,000, 8, 1,000, 9, 1,000, 10, 1,000, 12, 1,000, 14. Wait, count.
Keep going.
15, 1,000, 16, 1,000.
All right. You can stop. You can stop. So your right wrist is broken. Okay. So you are under arrest for DUI. Okay. I'm not going to handcuff you because your right wrist is broken. I don't know if you're going to go with the hospital with them.
You want to go to the hospital? Why am I under arrest?
Because you're showing signs of impairment and you're operating a motor vehicle that caused an accident. So you are under arrest for DUI, like I said. I don't know if you're going to the hospital.
Do you want to go to the hospital?
Okay. Perfect. Thank you. And she wasn't answering the phone. No, you're good. It came up and I know who you were.
So what's going to happen right now is we're going to take you back to our police headquarters. We're going to explain a few things to you. We're going to do the alco test breath sampling if you decide you want to participate in that. And then since your husband
Don't participate or do anything. Go with them. Don't do anything without a lawyer unless you have to.
So
I'll go back home.
no, wait. All right, well he's going to have to come get you. So okay, so we're going to have him come pick you up. He's got to sign some paperwork saying that he's going to take responsibility of you.
Jail?
No, to the
No,
hospital.
you're not going to go to jail.
No.
It's just traffic tickets. Okay.
They take care of you. I'm not a police officer. I'm from the ambulance. So I'm asking if you want to go to the hospital and take care of your wrist.
I don't know what to do. I'm so...
Well, you're going to have to make a decision.
It is broken.
It looks broken to me.
It is obviously broken.
You're gonna need something done to it eventually, whether it's tonight or another day.
Yeah. And I'm not trying to coerce you one way or another, but our process is going to be fairly quick. And if your husband wants to take you to the hospital after, that's something you guys can do, obviously.
We have children at home. Like,
I understand that. Or we can always call the ambulance to our headquarters and they can take you again if you don't want to go right now. But you're gonna have to make a decision.
Your husband's going to have someone come pick you up in about an hour from the police department, okay?
Do you want to go or no?
to the hospital or the police department? I'm so confused.
I'm asking if you want to go to the hospital right now.
The collision resulted in injuries to 2 passengers in the other vehicle, which escalates the charges under Florida Statute 316.1993C3. DUI cases involving bodily harm are classified as a first-degree misdemeanor, carrying penalties of up to $5,000 in fines, 5 years in jail, and a minimum 3-year license revocation. These compounded violations underscore the severity of the driver's actions.
But I still.
Okay, so you can. You gotta use my car. Use your car.
Take mine.
Okay, you can follow me.
I have my spare.
Mine's unlocked.
Yeah, you're good. Mine, you're just spare?
No, I don't have spare. Mine's unlocked. I'm running. All right. Jesse, you follow me. Your cell phone. Did you grab it? I'll grab it for you.
Thank you.
Yep. Like I said, I'm not gonna handcuff you because I don't want to injure you. Just gonna walk right there. Okay. Do you have anything in your pockets? I'm not gonna.
No.
Okay. All right. So stand right here. Right here. I'll open the door for you. I'm gonna grab this seatbelt around you. Again.
Is that hurt? Who's hurt? Alright, we got your information already, okay? What's up with you, sir? Who else was in that car? Were you in that car too?
No, us these two.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I think.
Okay, did someone get your information?
Yeah.
Okay, what's hurting on you?
My ribs and my leg is hurts really bad.
Okay, where are you going?
We're doing Jefferson Stratford. We're calling this
Which leg is it?
your right knee, right?
Alright, I appreciate it. You guys good?
Absolutely.
All right.
We're on the roll.
Yep, you guys good?
Yeah, thank you.
And now.
You got all information here, right?
I didn't get any of theirs. I don't know if you got it.
Who?
The
These people?
other car. I didn't get anything from them.
Alright,
I don't know if Cody or.
take her back.
Okay.
I'll take care of this whole thing. Is my car unlocked? You're good?
Yeah.
Alright, so I got the driver and the car information's already in there, but there's a passenger.
There's an open motor light in the back. I don't know. You want to take that?
Yeah, I got you. I'll go to the car.
Okay. I just didn't know if you wanted to take her, start the alcohol test stuff. I'm not
Oh, you're not certified.
Yeah.
Okay, alright. I'm gonna take her back.
Okay.
Make sure you talk to JP and Rudder and make sure one of them got the passenger info. They're both going to the hospital. You okay?
I'm sorry.
I know you're sorry. It's alright. I mean, the good thing is, not too bad. 2308 Central.
2308.
Alright, we got one under. I'll be transported back to my 10-1 for processing.
30.
So we want adult female, star mild 73545.
30.
Sworn to fair weight, so you put me out of my 10-1, add 1 to my start.
30.
We're gonna walk right up to these steps, okay? It's your husband's birthday?
Yep. Unfortunately.
Door for you. Yeah. Come on here for me. You can come in. You have a seat on that bench, okay? Over here. Yep. I'm not gonna handcuff you, just don't try and run on me, alright? Your cell phone, I'm just gonna go put over here, okay?
you have a driver's license on you by chance?
I gave it to them.
Okay.
Despite her visible wrist injury, officers arrested her on the spot and transported her for processing. At the station, she underwent further questioning and testing.
So, if you have any questions, stop me at any point, okay?
Wait, so I start from the off one?
I'm going to read it to you, yep.
Okay.
All right,
And I read along with you?
Yep, and if you have any questions, just let me know, okay?
Okay.
You have been arrested for driving while intoxicated, NJSA 39450.
Wild cars.
Yep, I'll read.
Okay.
Number 3, a record of taking of breath samples, including the test results, will be made. Upon your request, a copy of that record will be made available to you. Number 4, after you have provided samples of your breath for testing, you have the right at your own expense to have a person or physician of your own selection take independent samples of your breath, blood, or urine for independent testing. Number 5, a court may find you guilty of both refusal and driving while intoxicated. Number 6, if a court finds you guilty of refusal, we submitted to you'll be subject to various penalties, including license revocation up to 20 years, to $2,000, installation of your ignition interlock, and referral to an intoxicated driver's resource center. These penalties may be in addition to penalties imposed by the court for any other offenses of which you were found guilty. You have no legal right to have an attorney, physician, or anyone else present for the purpose of taking breath samples. You have no legal right to refuse to give or delay giving samples of your breath. Ambiguous or conditional in any respect to my request that you provide breath samples, you treat as a refusal to submit to breath testing. Even if you agree to take the test, but then do not follow my instructions or do not provide significant breath samples, I will charge you with a refusal to submit to breath testing. I repeat, the law requires you to submit samples of your breath for testing. Will you submit samples of your breath?
So yes.
Okay. All right. So the next part, it's called the 20-minute observation period. Okay.
Observation period?
Yeah, we're just gonna hang out. Okay, for 20 minutes. That's all. Okay. Yeah. So basically, I'll let you know what's going on.
Do you need this?
No, I mean, I just wanted you to have something as a reference, but I'll take it back. I already put your answer on the other. Okay. So basically, what's gonna happen now? We'll sit here for 20 minutes. We'll hang out, stuff like that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do the alcohol test, okay? My camera is, that's going to determine your level of alcohol content. My body camera is on right now, okay? It's recorded both visually and audio. Once the 20 minutes is up, okay, I turn my body camera off, okay? And I take it out of the room, okay? There's a camera there, and I take all cell phones, anything electronic, my watch. Do you have a smartwatch on? Okay. Do you have any watches in your pocket, anything like this? Any electronics in your pocket? Okay.
Yeah, my phone.
All right. Anything inside your mouth? Anything like that?
I like cavities, but
No, I don't know.
electronic devices in
Tongue
my
rings,
mouth?
nothing like that.
No.
Yeah. It's so we always got to ask. Okay.
Nothing.
And we kind of go from there. Regardless what the reading results are, I'll go over them with you. Okay. I'll be the one administering the test. Okay. And regardless of the fact you do go home. Like I told your husband, CJ, okay, someone sober has to pick you up, okay? So someone will be here, okay? And the reason being is you can't operate a motor vehicle for a period of 12 hours, okay, after you're arrested for DWI, okay? And get stuff happens, okay? Criminal thing, you're not going to jail. Nothing like that. You get a ticket with a court date, okay? I know you told the ambulance people you don't want to go to the hospital and get your wrist looked at. This is my first time really interacting with you throughout the process, other than driving you over here. I just looked at your wrist. That's something I would definitely recommend doing if you're my family member.
I have to. I understand that. But I wanted to get this over with first.
Okay. So is that something you want to go to the hospital after this?
Absolutely.
Okay. But, I mean, you're not a bad person. It's a mistake. And luckily,
I'm terrified what happened. Like, terrified what happened.
Okay.
Literally, I couldn't believe what happened.
Yeah, I was a little late to the scene. Okay, I was doing something else.
The officers emphasized the dangers of her reckless behavior, noting that she endangered not only her own life, but also the lives of others on the road. She was formally charged with driving under the influence, DUI, and reckless driving causing bodily injury, COS.
I'm not too sure about what happened with the accident, any evidence that was found, anything like that. I do want to advise you though, okay? At some point I'm going to be reading your Miranda rights, your Miranda warning, okay? Do you know what that is? Basically, it's to protect you, okay? So you don't incriminate yourself, okay? Anytime we're going to ask you questions, if it's custodial, like an arrest, okay, and an interrogation, which anything, if I start asking you questions about where you're coming from, the motor vehicle accident, how many alcoholic beverages you consume, I have to Mirandize you, okay? So just be kind of careful what you say. I know I'm trying to protect you here, you know what I mean? If you start blurting stuff out, you know what I mean, then that's ultimately up to you. I'm not asking you questions, all right? And hopefully do you have a driver's license? I just was looking on there. I just to make sure that I have the right information, that's all.
Yeah, I have a permit. Don't have my license there, but
It's all right. How old your husband turn?
44.
44.
44.
Big fours, huh? He was alright after I talked to him. Rightfully so, he's upset. You know what I mean? You're not answering your phone.
That's why I was looking for my phone so I could let him know and my children. Like I was bringing home. I don't even know if they got their dinner.
I have no idea.
I know.
Yeah.
I know.
You gotta understand, like I'm late. Like I said, I was late.
But that's what I was doing.
So you guys get to eat?
Did I get to eat? Oh,
No. Dinner. What you get your kids for dinner?
McDonald's.
Hey, it's alright.
Their favorite.
Yeah.
McNuggets and fries.
How old are your kids?
They are 14, 11, and 8.
Ooh. I got a 3-year-old, a 2-year-old, and my wife. Yeah.
Good for you. Like 3, 2, and then the new one, super fast.
Yeah, so they'll be, at one point they'll be 4, 3, and 1.
Aww.
And then.
I love that.
Yeah, it's
so cool.
I love my sleep though.
Yeah, well, that's not gonna happen.
No, not anymore.
Nope. Not till they're...
Yeah. Both my son and my daughter slept good.
Yeah?
As far as newborns go, oh yeah.
Good for you.
So we got lucky, but I'm feeling like we're testing the water
waters.
boundaries of the luck wheel here too much.
You're like,
Yeah, I'm not trying to spin the luck wheel anymore, so.
3 is a weird number though.
Yeah, how is it? Is it rough? I heard it can be
It's
rough.
a little rough, because like...
Now do you have all boys, all girls, mix?
3 boys.
Oh man.
3 boys.
So probably fighting each other.
Oh, it's batshit crazy.
Yeah, I got 2 brothers.
The time. But like 3 is still such a weird number.
Yeah.
Because absolutely outnumbered, and then you add on more, and you're like,
Yeah. It's gonna be hard on her, especially with my schedule. I don't know what your husband does, but my schedule's kind of wacky.
yeah, well, obviously,
Yeah.
he's Dish. He works for Dish, so his schedule.
Oh, nice.
Like install the dish.
Yeah. I had we first bought our house. I had one. Through AT&T, there was like some program where you got the dish and your phone.
Like through Dish Network.
My wife handles that shit. I don't know.
You're like,
I know we went to AT&T. We got our cell phones. The worst when it comes to that stuff. I'm like, fuck it. All right, yeah.
you're like, let's do it.
Yeah, they like, told me the
That's what
money.
my husband does. He installs Dish and OnTech.
Okay. Yeah.
That's what he does. So he works mostly days, and I work nights.
Yeah, I got you. What do you do at night?
I work at Applebee's.
Oh, nice. That's one of our favorite
Solid
spots. Nice.
Bartend there.
Nice.
Yep.
Always good for the boneless wings.
Always.
Yeah.
This incident highlights the devastating consequences of impaired driving. The woman's actions caused harm to innocent individuals and showcased a blatant disregard for public safety. Florida's stringent DUI laws aim to prevent such tragedies, but the responsibility ultimately lies with individuals to make safer decisions. This case serves as a sobering reminder of how one reckless choice can irrevocably impact multiple lives. That wraps today's episode. So what's your thought on this complicated situation? Please share with us in the comments below. If today's episode of CopStream caught your attention, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another story. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.